Lead-acid batteries, ubiquitous in various industries, pose environmental challenges if not properly managed. Our lead-acid battery recycling system facilitates responsible disposal by efficiently disassembling batteries into lead blocks, plastic shells, and acidic liquids. The entire system, crafted from stainless steel, not only ensures longevity but also addresses a critical need in the industry. It withstands the corrosive nature of acidic liquids, guaranteeing equipment durability and minimizing maintenance costs. Our equipment excels in efficiently collecting acidic liquids, a task often challenging due to the corrosive nature of the substance. This not only enhances safety but also allows for responsible disposal or potential recycling. Once separated from disassembled lead-acid batteries, lead blocks undergo a process of refinement and purification. These refined lead blocks serve as a valuable raw material for various industries, including but not limited to lead industry, metal alloy production, and construction sector. The plastic shells, separated from the batteries, undergo a recycling process where they are cleaned, shredded, and melted. The recycled plastic material can be repurposed for manufacturing various plastic products, contributing to the circular economy and reducing the demand for virgin plastic. The collected acidic liquids, carefully managed to meet environmental standards, can undergo treatment processes to neutralize and render them harmless. In some cases, the acids can be further processed for reuse in other industrial applications. In essence, our lead-acid battery recycling system not only mitigates environmental hazards but transforms each component into a valuable resource, fostering a sustainable and circular approach to battery waste management. If you are interested in this system, please feel free to inquire us for detailed information.